As a solo practitioner, I take professional development pretty seriously, and I've learned a lot from working with others in this section. I feel really lucky to have found an IP practice that truly fits my interests and my goals. The section actually published a book that I co-authored called Careers in IP Law, which hopefully will help other people do the same. And all of our young lawyer members have free access to the book. I've also learned a lot from working with some of our more senior section leadership on committees, on co-authoring publications, and by speaking on CLE panels.
As a young lawyer member, I've been able to build and share my IP expertise through the section's webinar and CLE programs. After just a few years of practicing, I served as a panelist on a patent prosecution webinar and helped organize an in-person roundtable on diversity at the section's annual conference. Even though I'm a relatively new lawyer, I've received a lot of support from the section leadership to take on new challenges and continue to build my practice.
Being a young lawyer in this section has given me a number of opportunities to develop my practice and gain expertise. I've been involved with committees that consider new legal developments and propose policy changes. For example, I created a subcommittee that reviewed the circuit split on how circuits treat likelihood of confusion and dilution. That subcommittee prepared a report and resolution, which I then presented to this section's leadership council. After debating the resolution, council voted in favor of adopting it as official policy of the section. Outside of policy work, I've been able to build my network and get exposure by doing things like presenting a CLE at our annual IP conference. I'm also the former chair of the Intellectual Property Committee in the Young Lawyer Division, and I continue to work on projects geared towards new intellectual property attorneys in my role as vice chair of this section's Young Lawyer Action Group.
I really like how easy it is to get involved in whatever area of the section interests you. Within the last couple of years, I've been able to serve on the membership board, the CLE board, and the pro bono committee. I've also been able to make new friends and colleagues through the Law Student Action Group and the Young Lawyer Action Group. I am currently a Young Lawyer Fellow, which has allowed me to learn more about what the section has to offer and how to get more involved. The section's what you make of it, and the different areas that I've been able to explore have helped me develop as a young lawyer.
The ABA-IPL section has many great resources for building IP expertise. One of these is the Landslide magazine that all members receive. I actually run a column of the magazine called Meeting of the Minds, which pairs a young lawyer with one of our more senior members to write an article about a current development of IP. As a young lawyer member in the section, I've gotten to build my IP expertise by both reading section publications and helping produce them.
While I am no longer a young lawyer member of the section, I am still benefiting from the relationships I made as a young lawyer in the ABA. Many of my long-term clients and friends are people I met through the section. Over the years, I've gained a lot from my involvement in the section, and I encourage young lawyers to get involved now in developing their practice and their network.